All right, in the next couple of minutes, I'm just going to show you how to create a post in Microsoft Teams and how to reply to a post. Creating a post is really quite simple. If you go into any team, and at the moment I'm in the CES demo team, if I go into a channel, you'll see across the top here you've got some different tabs. The first one is always posts. So this is where you have your conversation. And if you've been on Facebook, then this post section is like your Facebook feed. So I'm going to go ahead and make a post. I can just click in the box down here and start typing, "Hi folks, here's an example post." Alright, so I've just typed in the text and I can click the send button and it's posted it. So it shows up there, shows up that I made the post, what time I did it. Now if somebody sees that, somebody else in this team, they can simply click reply and start typing. They can type their reply and then click send. Now, something to be careful of is if you just, as soon as you press enter, it will also send it too. So if I just type again, again and hit enter, it'll just send that message. So don't be caught out at the start. You'll make that sort of mistake. But there's a little feature as well. This is just very simple, plain text. People often ask, how can I create these sort of posts with big headings and things like that? Well, that's from clicking down here, this little format button. So if I click that, you'll notice the post box expands and you get all of these options here to make text bold, underline it, highlight it. You can even change the color of the font and the size of the font, add bullet points, etc., etc. So you can do all those sorts of things there. So let me show you what that looks like. Here is a post. Alright, here's a post with a subject line, random text. If I press return or enter, you'll notice it bounces down and it doesn't send the message. So I can actually draft a message a bit like an email, or even add I could add an image in here if I wanted to, add some sort of little animation, repeat. I'll do a quick search. I'm not sure what's going to show up, but let's choose that. And so we can do that with images and those sort of things. If I hit send now, it will post that. But if I want to make an announcement, if by default I want to notify everybody in the team that I've just posted this, I can change it from a standard conversation post. I can just click on here and make it an announcement. Give it a heading. I can change the color of that announcement header, or I can even click in here, choose an illustration from a bunch of pre-sorted ones or pre-formatted ones, or I can upload my own image. So if I click send now, you'll see rather than just a standard post, we actually create an announcement. Over here, that little symbol icon will show you that people will get notified about it. So it's a way to really make a post stand out, to get people's attention, to notify them that it's there. So hope that's helpful. That's going through how to make a post. The big one, if you're going to reply to a post, don't start a new post, click reply, and your message will be all in line with that original post. All right, have fun. We found a really good way to communicate with people. We found that there are less conversations over emails. Emails tend to be more about perhaps tasks, but people are using conversations and chat a lot more.